Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to fix cleanup not showing on your iPhone photo. So when tap on, then showing it to cleanup option. When I'm just easily clean this image. Okay. So if you are missing this option and provide solution. So first of all, open your settings, scroll down, click on to general option, software update. Make sure to update your iOS 18 or iOS 26. Okay, go back, open Apple Intelligence and Siri. Make sure to turn on your Apple Intelligence, like turn off to turn on your Apple Intelligence. So okay, when turn on and restart your phone, or at first turn off then turn on your phone. So I hope you just follow these tricks, then you get 100% back your cleanup option.